Hello all, welcome back to my channel once again. Hope you're all doing great. So in this video I would like to share about charging a refrigerant gas for a carrier reefer container. In my earlier video we saw how to charge a gas for a star cool one, and that was a piston type, whereas in this carrier this is a scroll type. I hope this video will be useful. So yeah, let's get into the content. And yeah, scroll type compressor is different from piston type. In a piston type compressor we have piston inside, whereas in a scroll type compressor we have two metal plates. They call it as a scroll, so the piston is replaced by scroll, and that's why the name scroll compressor. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, so let's get on to my reefer workshop to collect the refrigerant gas bottle and the charging hose. So in my ship, it is in the upper deck. Yeah, so this is my reefer workshop, generally where we maintain all the reefer spares. We have an inventory of this. We used to update it every month and every time we consume it. So yeah, so this is R134A, 12.5 kgs. I just have to ensure if the adapter is there, hose is there. Yeah, let me carry that. Oh, it's a long way actually. It is in 50. My ship is of like 400 meters in length, so I have to go to 50 from forward. It's almost like in the middle of the ship. I have to walk for 200 meters. Okay. Yeah, carrying this refrigerant bottle. Yeah, on the way, this is the accommodation gangway later. Oh yeah, that's proximity switch. I just want to show on the way. Yeah, it's a long distance. I have to carry the bottle in one hand. Yeah, another limit switch. Now, I hate this Europe. It's like overcast every time, cold. Got it. You see? Okay. Finally, we reached 50. Now I have to get onto the hold. The reefer is inside the hold, inside the cargo hold. Now I have to get inside the hold with this. Yeah, let's go. So on this bay, we don't have any containers loaded. So it's empty. Whereas at the bottom, inside the hold, we got loaded with the reefer. Yeah. So this is the hold. So before entering, let me make sure if the lightings are there, if it is well ventilated. Yeah, you see, so I can turn on the lights. Now, yeah, it's good to enter. Yeah, let's go. This bottle I have to carry all the way down. Now I see there is an electric chain block. Let me make use of it. It should be fine for me. It's very easy for getting it down rather than carrying it in one hand. Yeah, let me make use of that. For the first time I'm using this. I mean, I've been here inside the hold, but I've never carried the gas bottle inside the hold. Luckily there was no any problem inside the hold. This is the first time I'm getting to have a problem inside the hold, and I got to see this thing. Yeah, let me use this. Yeah, reducing the manpower, helpful. Yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to show how the inside hold looks like. Yeah, so we have to walk down. It's almost like some for like 12, 13 story building height, like a 12-story building height. Yeah, so I have to go one more down. Ooh, so yeah, this is the tree for that was giving the alarm. So this is a carrier Primeline. And you see actually how they have staked it. It's not even in the proper position. Nowadays, like a standard size reefer as well as a high cube reefer, they mix and stack, so sometimes you're not able to access it. Okay, so the problem, the set point is -20, but the return is just -7, and it is AL72. AL72 is out of range, temperature out of range. So yeah, let me check the supply. Supply is also just minus 6.9. So actually, yeah, the temperature is not maintaining. So let me check. Does the system have sufficient gas? Of course, I know there is no sufficient gas, but let me show like how to check the pressure. So there is a code 12 and 14. 12 is suction pressure, so which is less negative, whereas 14 is the discharge pressure. CD14, CD is quarts, and it is just 2.8. And on average, it's almost like 1 and 9, 1 bar suction and 9 bar discharge on an average for almost all the containers. Of course, the factors like superheat, the humidity inside, everything affects the pressure, but still on an average, in a layman terms, this 1 and 9 or 0 point below 1 and 8 to 9 should be the pressure generally to get maintained with, but this is not good. So yeah, I confirmed that there is no any gas inside, pressure is less, I need to charge the gas, and that's why I came up with a bottle. So this is a scroll type compressor, and that is the suction line where I have to charge the gas. So I got my tool. This tool is used to, first you have to close it, close the suction. Yeah, we are closing the suction. Now going to connect the gas bottle using the hose. Yeah, so now I have closed the suction valve. I've taken the charging hose, connected it to the bottle using the adapter. Now I'm going to connect it to the compressor's suction side. Yeah, so this is the compressor suction side. Using the adapter, I connected it. Yeah, I'm seeing I little opened it. Yeah, little. I mean, since I've closed the valve, I can see the suction and discharge is less. Now, close the valve in the sense, since I closed the suction valve, that's why the system is showing less, since we have stopped the refrigerant flow. Now, I have connected the hose, open the suction valve, open the gas, refrigerant flow is happening. Now, the pressure should be increasing. Both suction and discharge should be coming up. The temperature should be meeting the set point level. Yeah, let's see what is happening. Yeah, now it's coming up. Before we saw like -6 and -7. Now it is -8. And suction is also 0.16. Before it was in negative. Now it have turned to positive side. Yeah, let's see the discharge. Earlier it was around 2. Now 8. Yeah, coming up. Yeah, pressure is building. So yeah, the temperature is coming up. Yeah, and I can see on the expansion valve side also it is getting icing. Yeah, so actually the pressure difference is happening. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for the temperature to come up. So this is the time just to wonder, seeing your tool, the design, why they made like this, who made this, is it made in China or something like that? Yeah, and the logo, why the logo in this way? Yeah, so basically I'm waiting for the temperature to come up. Let's come. Oh yeah, these are the IoT devices, and that guy is like the one who monitors and sends the message to the customers, the reefer is having problem or not. Yeah, so that's a tracking device. So yeah, now after waiting for 5 to 10 minutes, yeah, that is a significant improvement. The temperatures are slowly coming up. Meeting the requirements, getting close to the set point. But it's almost tea time for me. Let's go have some tea. In maximum 10 minutes, we'll get back here. Yeah, let's go. And I don't want to spend more time inside being a cargo hold. Whenever you get inside the cargo hold, you feel like, oh my God, when I would get out of this first. So any job you get carried inside the cargo hold, you feel like, come on, let me finish it as early as possible and get out of this hold. So I want to get out of this hold. Yeah. And it's a long way to climb up as well. There is no elevator inside this. I can get some fresh air. Come, and it's still overcast, cold. On the way, yeah. You see over here, if the containers are stacked like this, it's easy to access, whereas when you see down, it's not in a position that where we can easily access it. Anyways, I just wanted to show that. Yeah, let's go to the ECR, where generally we used to have tea. So into my engine room. Up from the upper deck, I'm going to my ECR, which is present at the second deck. So yeah, regarding that, that's a radium sticker. I just wanted to show, like in my later video, I'll show how to test those radium stickers. Alright, so I'm going to get into the engine control room. People will be there, my colleagues will be there. So yeah, let's get inside. I'm seeing my chief engineer inside. Yeah, let's have some coffee. Okay, but though I'm sharing all those things, but my mind is always thinking about the refrigerant. How is my containers, my babies coming up with the temperature or what, So yeah, I gotta have some waffle, some honey waffle, something like with cinnamon flavor. Yeah, let's get back to the work. Oh my god, when I come out of the engine room, I see the deck is drenched with water. It seems it rained. It's raining actually, yeah. So yeah, let's go. Hopefully the temperature should have come a little up, close to the set point. Let's see. Oh my god, still it is in the alarm condition. But yeah, it's an increase. Yeah, close. -13 is written. Okay, how much is the supply? Oh yeah, okay, -17.2. Yeah, it's coming up. It's good. It's coming up. Maybe in some time it will come up. But anyway, this is how you charge a gas. So yeah, open the suction valve. Open your gas refrigerant bottles. Open the valve of it. Yeah, open the adapter. So the gas will flow. And once the temperature is coming up, yeah, you can remove it. Sometimes you're required to actually go with the measuring the weight of the gas. Generally, I go with seeing the discharge suction pressure, and if they're okay, yeah, I'm okay with that. And I come up, I have other jobs to do, so I don't want to wait until the unit comes in range. So yeah, let's get back, let's secure all those things. Thanks.